Hi there, this is Nick at Rig and Farm, and I'm going to be doing a review for the Carry On 5x8 utility trailer. Why don't you check out what I have to say, and also stay tuned for some modifications that I'll be making to really beef up the quality of this and make it a really great trailer for the price. As you can see here, there's quite a bit of rust on it. Clearly I'm going to need to repaint this, give it a nice coating with some automotive paint so that it can really stand the test of time. It's pretty wobbly. Just a little bit of movement and it shakes all over the place. Standing on it is kind of scary. I really feel like if I wasn't standing on these support beams that I would just fall right through. It's supposed to be rated for up to a 1,700 pound payload, and I really am skeptical that it would be able to hold that weight. I'm under 200 pounds and I'm making it creak, so we'll definitely see. Got the gate down, and walking up it seems very flimsy and uneasy. It's really concerned that it's not going to hold up without any kind of modification. Hooking it up's pretty easy. It has this little lever here, comes right off, pop it back on. Super simple. It's got the little chains here to keep it on there, plug it in so your brake lights and turn signals work. Be nice to let everybody else around you know what you're doing. Again, note all that rust. I'm going to be using this automotive acrylic enamel in black. It'll match the current paint, so hopefully it doesn't have any kind of weird effect when it dries and blends in pretty well. So there's this little metal tube right here that the wires for the lights run into, and the wood doesn't fit super well into it, so I'm just using a rubber mallet to slide it in. I'm going to be securing the 2x6s to the trailer using these number 8 screws that are 1 5/8 inches long, and these washers that are 3/16 of an inch by 1 1/4 inch wide. It's going to be just the perfect length to not go all the way through the board, but have a really nice secure fitting so that the boards don't pop out in the event that I go over a bump or if the weight's not distributed evenly. I've had these installed for several months now. I wanted to give them the test of time to see how it works out. There's still a little bit of wobble when I shake it. Walking on it feels way more stable. There's not the same creaking that there was before. It doesn't feel like I'm gonna fall through. I'm actually pretty happy with this little modification. So a fresh coat of paint and the installation of some 2x6s made a huge improvement on this trailer. You can buy this trailer with the wood boards already installed, which run vertically rather than horizontally. I felt that this would make them a little bit more stable than the way that the factory makes them, but I also saved myself a little over $100, and it was a fun project. If you like what you saw, please subscribe and give us a thumbs up. It would really mean a lot to us. Stay tuned for more videos. We are in the process of looking to purchase some more land that'd be about 25 times the size of what we already have, so we'll be able to get a lot more livestock and do a lot more gardening. So please stay tuned for that, and we hope to see you guys next time.